Good morning to one and all. This is Lakshmi Prasanna, working as Assistant Professor in ASNH Department. Today I am here to discuss about homonyms, homophones and homographs. Let me explain you in detail what is homonyms, what is homophones and what are homographs. These especially, let me give you an introduction for this. See here, in English we are having so many words with same spelling but different meaning. Like that we are having, see here, in English many words can look or sound alike but have different meaning. See here, it is having a different meaning. These are called as homonyms or homophones or homographs. I'll give you an explanation in detail regarding this homonyms, homophones and homographs. Now, why we have to learn this homophones, homographs and homonyms is to avoid confusion regarding the words. First one, why means while spelling, if you read the same spelling, the word letters, all the letters will be with the same spelling, but the meaning will be different. And when you write the same, the pronunciation may be the same, but the meaning will be different. And sometimes the meaning will be different, the words will be the same. So based on that, we will give you a clarification regarding this homonyms, homophones and homographs. We'll start discussing with each one of the topic. First, let us discuss about this homonyms. These are the sounds here. Sounds the same, and spells the same. That means the sound will be the same and the spelling will be the same, but have different meaning. Here you have to note down, see here, different meaning. Point to be noted, sounds the same, okay, spells the same, pronunciation will be the same, the spelling will be the same, but the meaning of the word will be different. Let me give you some examples here. First here, bat. You all know, first bat is an animal, okay, first the spelling is the same, see, bat, bat. One is the animal which we see at the night time, bat, which is used to play cricket. Small children likes to play cricket more, is it not? So bat is an animal and bat is used in cricket. So the word is the same. Did you find the word bat, bat? Pronunciation is also same, spelling same, pronunciation same, but the meaning is different. Let me give you one more example here. Ring. See here, the ring which you keep for your fingers, or we will be presenting gifts to your friends or for your parents. See here, he gave her a gold ring. Ring, R-I-N-G, ring. Okay, next one, I will ring you tomorrow. The spelling is the same, R-I-N-G, ring. When you come across this meaning, one is the gold ring which you keep it for your fingers, and the other one is making a call to your friend, that saying her that I will ring you tomorrow. Did you got it? Again, let me repeat this homonyms. Homonyms are nothing but the sounds will be the same, the spelling will be the same, but the meaning is different. I hope you understood. We shall go for the next one. Next, homophones, phones. All of you know about phones. Phones means sound. You should remember like this. Phone means sound. Here let me discuss about this. The words that sound the same. The sound will be the same, but different meaning and spelling. See, pronunciation or sounding will be the same, but the meaning will be different and the spelling will be different. But whereas in the homonyms, the sounds are same, the spelling is same, but the meaning is different. Here in homophones, only the sound is same, but the meaning is different and the spelling is also different. See here, let me give you some examples. Two, TO2, TWO2, TOO2. All three are pronouncing is the same. The sounding is the same. Whereas C, SEAC and SEEC, pronunciation is the same. Next, male, MAIL, male, MALE, male. Pronunciation is the same, but the meaning is different, is it not? Berry, BERRY, berry and BURY, berry. Let me repeat it again once. Homophones are nothing but sound. The sound will be the same, the meaning will be the different and the spelling will be the different. Let us go for the next one. And the next one is homographs. Graphs is nothing but to write. To write. Homographs means write. Graphs means to write. Let me tell you what is the difference between these homonyms, homophones and homographs. Here the words are spelled the same. Spelled the same. Okay, but have different pronunciation and have different meaning. Spelling will be the same, but when you pronounce it, the pronunciation is different and the meaning is also different in homographs. See, let me give you some examples here. Lead, L-E-A-D, lead, to guide. The leader will lead the team. Okay. Next, lead, it is one of the metal. Next, tear, T-E-A-R, tear. Tear means when you piece of paper, tear a piece of paper and give me. Tear, drop from your eyes. When you hurt or when you are so happy, you will start, tears will be coming out of your ears. Next, bow, bow and arrow. The Lord Rama used to use a bow and arrow. Is it not? Yes. Bow. Bow means bending. The actor bowed after the performance. Let me repeat this again, once again. Homographs. Homographs are nothing but spells the same. The pronunciation will be the same. Sorry, the spelling will be the same. The different pronunciation as well as different meanings. The spelling will be the same. L-E-A-D, L-E-A-D. T-E-A-R, T-E-A-R. B-O-W, B-O-W. Got it? The spelling will be the same. The different pronunciation will be different and the meaning also will be the different. Let me give you a small out chart. See here. Homophones, how to remember. Homophones is nothing but phone means sound. Phone means sound. Homographs means graph means to write. Graph means to write. The simple way to remember this homophones, homographs and homonyms. Same sound. Same sound. Phone means sound, I told you before itself. Phone. Homophones means it will be having same sound. Whereas homographs are nothing but having same spelling. Has same spelling, different pronunciation, different meaning. And whereas homophones, same sounds, different meaning, different pronunciation. Homonyms means it will be same sound, pronunciation will be the same, the spelling also will be the same, but the meaning is different. I hope you understood this. Thank you.